A predatory fish characterized by a cartilaginous skeleton. The shark has slits in the front of the head, and the number of these slits is estimated from 5 to 7. And this type of fish also has pectoral fins, and these fins are not integrated in the head, where the history of the oldest known sharks dates back to more than 420 million years ago, where it is referred to as the spiny shark, and the shark has many types, and the number of these species is about 500 species, and the size of these species ranges from 17 centimeters to 12 meters. As these fish are abundantly found at a depth of 2,000 meters in the seas and oceans. And this type is characterized by of the fish with a leather covering of the teeth in order to protect the teeth from damage and parasites. 1. Sensory systems in sharks. Sharks have the same 5 senses that humans have. In addition to these senses are more acute in sharks, as the shark can see in deep areas that the light is almost non-existent due to the structure of the shark's eye, which contains a membrane in the back of the eye, and this membrane is similar to the membrane in the eyes of cats, which enables them to see in dim light. 2. The shark also has 2 small slits in the front of the head. The 2 slits lead to the inner ear, and the inner ear contains acoustic receptors for detecting sound waves in the water, in addition to 3 channels that help the shark move underwater to detect prey. 2. Evidence indicates that sharks can taste, and sharks have a sense of touch through the ability to sense an object touching their bodies or through the movement of water that results from an object moving in the water. As this sensory system includes channels, the shallow ones that run under the surface of the skin, and these channels are known as the lateral line. 2. Threats to the shark. These fish lived with dinosaurs and other ancient organisms. And in addition to the many existing species of these fish, new species are discovered every year, and these fish, also predatory fish, are essential to the natural system. But these fish face multiple risks, including overfishing, as many species of these fish are threatened with extinction, such as sawfish. While the fisher shark has been an important resource in the developing world for centuries, and sharks must be preserved in order to improve the resilience of water bodies. But there are some types of sharks that stand in the way of shark conservation, as large fish feed on small fish, in addition to overfishing and increasing demand for shark meat and fins. 3. Read more on Instagram. https://sotter.com/d8%b9%d9 on Instagram %868%